so excited about those. Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about lifestyle, shopping, house hunting, owning your own business, life with celiac, all the things. And today I'm so excited for a little haul vlog. Abercrombie recently had a sale, and if you don't know, now you know. I'm obsessed with Abercrombie. I'm so proud to be an Abercrombie creator, which means I have my own link that you guys can shop through, which is definitely linked somewhere in the description down in the link section of this video. And whenever you guys shop through my link, I get a small commission. And I just love Abercrombie. I love the styles of everything that they've been putting out, the styles of their athleisure wear through the YPB, all the different denim, jackets, like the bra-free collection, which you guys, if you've been watching, you've seen. I'm just obsessed. I'm obsessed. And so I did a little bit of shopping, just a little bit, got 3 different things from Abercrombie recently, and the package is in, so I figured I would do an unboxing with you and a try on. I'm so excited. Let's open this up. I've got 3 items in this haul. I have the Sunday Mockneck Crew in the color Frosty Olive in the size small. I have the Buffalo Bills Vintage Sunday Crew in the light heather gray in a size medium. And I have the A&F Sloan Tailored Hardwear Wide Pant in the color black in the size 26 short. So those are our 3 items. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I bought the pants, specifically the A&F Sloan Tailored Hardwear Wide Pant. I bought those specifically because I really want to be able to make a full black suit. Believe it or not, I don't have a full black suit. I have black pants and I have black blazers, but I don't have something that matches. And since one of my favorite black blazers is from Abercrombie, I figured, why not get an Abercrombie black pant that then I can wear the pant and the blazer together for like a full suit look. And so I'm so excited about that. I'm like, is our background perfect? No. I have sheets literally drying on this drying rack because mine and Matt's dryer in our apartment broke. So we're waiting for that to get fixed by like the maintenance people at our apartment. And I have something itching my eye. Okay, moving on. Oh my God, my eye's actually going crazy. Okay, please hold. I'm gonna fix my eye and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna try on the pants first. So we've got the black pants here. What's super cool about them is the little hardware is so cute. Also the fact that I'm like, can I change the clip on this? I actually don't think I can. I was gonna say if I can like make them looser or tighter, that would be insanely cool, but I don't think I can. They have a little bit of a stretch in the waist, which is really, really nice. Got the hardware on both sides. Here are the pants. I got them in a short since I'm a short girl. And yeah, I'm so excited. They look super cute and I'm really excited to try them on. They are a wide leg, so I'm hoping that they're not too wide leg. They're also an ultra high rise, so I also hope that they're not too short. Let's try them on. Oh, I actually think these fit really well. Oh my God. Wait, they look so cute, I think. I don't think that they are too wide of a wide leg. I actually think that they're like a really nice, flattering wide leg. They don't feel too big and they don't feel too small. They honestly feel like a perfect fit. Let me get a little closer for you guys to see. And here, let me throw that tag in so it's not distracting. You can see the hardware, which I think is just such a nice little detail. The pants fit like right at the belly button, as you can see. I've got a sports bra on right now because I'm gonna work out after this, and because I felt like a sports bra would be like the perfect thing to try on to really get a sense for how do the pants fit. And then I'm gonna throw on the black blazer that I have to see how they look together. But here are the pants. I honestly think that they look really, really cute. I'm really, really happy with these. So let me go try them on with the blazer, and I'll let you know what I think. What do you guys think of this together? The blacks match really well, and I honestly feel like it looks really, really good together. And also I have like a number of other black blazers that I think would also go really well with these pants. And so I'm super excited because the colors, I really think that they're like a perfect black match. There is a chance that this black blazer is slightly lighter, but honestly, yeah, it's really, really hard to tell. You know what? Let me grab because like I'm in good lighting and I really can't tell a difference, but I'm gonna throw my flashlight. Yeah. No, these are matching, which is so exciting. The blacks match. I love me an oversized blazer. This is the Abercrombie oversized blazer. It's the classic suiting blazer. That's what it's called. And it comes a little oversized. And I just think this looks so, so cute together. Obviously I wouldn't wear it with a bra, I would wear it with like a nice tank top, but I just love, love, love the way that these black pants go with the black blazer. The black pants by themselves also look so good. And this is just gonna be a classic for me. This is gonna be a great go-to when I am looking to look very, very professional, when I'm going to a more fancy networking event and need just a good black suit. This is so exciting because I've needed to have a black suit in my closet now for quite a while. I feel like as I've been getting dressed and stuff for different events and things, there have been a number of things that have come up that I'm like, ooh, I feel like I would really, really, really benefit from just like one new pair of black pants. And these are perfect. And I just think the hardware detailing is such a nice little addition and detail that makes them a little bit dressier, makes them stand out a little bit more, makes them really fun to wear alone and or obviously to pair with the blazer. So I am so excited about these pants. Honestly, this is exactly what I was hoping. I was hoping that they would fit this well. I was hoping that they would look this good. Hold on, let me rewind. I want the camera to focus. Sometimes it takes a minute to focus. We'll get a little thumbnail maybe. So yeah, here is our black suit. Our new black pants are a total win, and let's move on to try on items 2 and 3, which are both crew neck. So I'm gonna bring the camera back up so you guys can see me from the waist up. So let's try on our other items in the haul. Okay, I'm so excited about those black pants because those were the most important. That was like the most important item in the haul. The other two things are not things that I need by any means, but they are things that I wanted. So we are gonna try on item number 2. If you know, you know. Nothing if not a Buffalonian, guys, you know? Gotta support my team. It's so fun. The massive Buffalo Bills pride that exists in Buffalo is like unmatched. It really is. It's like nothing else. And so yeah, I did get the newest. And I know that this is gonna look great. It's gonna be super cute and super comfy, but I'm gonna try it on for you guys quick. Ooh, it's like a thinner. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with this. Oh shit, I'm obsessed. Also, I got it in a medium instead of a small because I knew I wanted more of like an oversized, loose fit. And I'm so happy that I got it in the medium. I'm obsessed with I feel like it's navy, but it might be black. I'm just obsessed with this trim of the red and navy or the red and black. It looks so, so good. Obviously, we've got our Buffalo Bills and the trim is also on the bottom. This is just like a really nice lightweight sweatshirt. Like it's like a lighter material and it's less thick than the typical Buffalo Bills merch. So I am so excited about this. It's so cute. Let's go Buffalo. You honestly can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with this. So this is obviously a keeper. So yeah, it's so cute. Matt is gonna be like, really? Really? That you bought another Buffalo Bills merch piece? And the answer is yes. Yes, really. Okay, we have one more item to try on. Okay, last but not least, we have the Mockneck. It's called the Sunday Mockneck Crew. And I'm so excited about this because Mocknecks are very in right now. They're just like very, very, very cute. And actually, I think I said that this was part of the YPB collection. I was wrong. It is actually not part of the YPB collection. It's just part of their regular, collection. So that's my bad. It is from the Soft A&F collection. Let's see if that focuses at all. It says Soft A&F collection. And if you know me, you know all I care about is soft, literally. Okay, so here's the mock neck. Super, super cute, extra thick, especially when you kind of compare to the standard. It's like double thick. So I'm super excited. I got this in the frosty olive because if you know, you know, green is my favorite color. I absolutely love sage green and I live in Crewnecks, literally. Okay, this is so cute. Are you kidding? Just like a plain cutie, soft crew. I love the mock neck. I just love it. I love this. Oh my God, it's so soft. It's so cute. Just like a nice plain, just a nice plain piece. I feel like obviously this looks cute with just like my black sweatpants, whatever, but if I wanted to wear this with jeans, honestly, I feel like this could even look cute with like a little skirt and boots for the fall. I don't know. Lots of options with this. So now I want to know which item was your favorite. We've got the mock neck, crew neck, we've got the Buffalo Bills crew neck, and we've got the black pants. Just 3 items. This was a 151, I think, 157. This was a $157 Abercrombie haul. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Definitely let me know. Let me know which item is your favorite. Let me know how you would maybe style the items. I'm especially keen to hear what you guys think of the black pants with the little hardware. I want to know what you think of the fit of the pants and what do you think about how the pants look with the blazer, because I personally am so excited about them. I'm really excited to have a pair of black pants that match the exact color of the black blazer that I love. I think that that's going to be really fun for me to style and just get to play around with, because I could see myself wearing the black pants and black blazer with a little like white tank top under and then white heels to kind of like break it up. I could see myself wearing like a cutie colorful tank top or blouse and then just black heels and kind of keeping it classic and simple. Black boots. I just think that there's so much that I can do to play around. I also have a really cute pair of silver boots that I feel like a white tank top, silver boots, and the black suit could look really sharp and really cool with like a silver bag. So my brain is just filled with ideas of different ways that I could style specifically the black pants, but honestly all 3 of these pieces. And again, I just absolutely love Abercrombie, love their styles, love their colors, love the designs and everything. And if you guys want to support me, you can go shop my link, but definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think. What do you think of all the pieces? Do you guys want to see more haul videos? Are you guys loving more of the open house series? Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video.